how to log into your DoorDash account step by step. Here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply launch your DoorDash application just like this, or you can get into the web version of it. Simply tap in that sign in button on the top right if you're on the web. If you're on the application, you'll be able to get that sign in button on the very beginning. Simply tap on that one, and then from there you'll be able to get into the sign in page, where all you need to do is add in the email address and the password of your DoorDash. So here, if you have used any of the other platform like your Google ID or your Apple ID in order to create your DoorDash account, then you can simply tap on them in order to log into your account too. So here I already have my account, so there's given continue as my account. If you do have that option, if you have previously installed the application, you can simply tap on it and you'll be able to log into your account. If there are any sort of 2FA security prompts sent to your mobile device, simply do that and verify it and log into your DoorDash account.